Hello, hello, hello. Our first card is the Bat Spirit. Rebirth is assured. Our angel card is it is up to us, it is up to you, and whatever you do, you will be victorious if it's a good, honest alignment for us. And this is all happening while we're moving away from the old verkramped attitudes of the past. The next card is the Moth Spirit, and that one says we need to surrender now. The angel card is no, we're not finished working on our relationships. There's still work to be done, and they're with us and helping us because there is a new path we're taking now. Freedom, positivity is on the line. The third card is the turtle, slow and steady does it. Our angel card there is recovery. We're moving away from mourning the past and we're getting on with what we have in hand. All our lives are different and we can just enjoy what we have and pray for growth. There's a lot of chaos in the world around us. Do not let that take you away. Acknowledge it and let it go. It's all in our best interest. It's taking us away from things that don't align with God's goodness and bringing us into a new phase. It's not coming the way we envision things to be, but we're following our own lights and sticking to our goals that we feel are good, not only for ourselves, but for our lives and our families and things like that. The last card under the angel card is ask your angels. So please, when you're walking, ask your angels anything, confusion, advice, anything like that. Um, and then trust your intuition that the angels will bring you the whatever you need. This will bring you happiness. Thank you very much for listening. Have a very good day. Bye bye. And please send me an email if there's any questions. Love you all.